Today we're diving into a head-to-head battle between two of the most anticipated gaming laptops of 2025, the Razer Blade 16 and the MSI Vector 16HX AI. One promises premium design and the other raw performance for a steal. We'll break down everything you need to know. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Before we start, a quick reminder to hit that like button to support the channel. Also, check the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's go! The Razer Blade 16, 2025, and the MSI Vector 16HX AI present two very different philosophies when it comes to laptop design. Razer's approach, as with its previous models, is a testament to minimalist premium craftsmanship. The Blade 16 is constructed from a unibody aluminum chassis with impeccable machining, resulting in a solid, rigid feel and a sleek matte black finish. It is a laptop that prioritizes aesthetics and portability, feeling more like a high-end ultrabook that just happens to be a gaming machine. Its slim profile, measuring 0.87 by 13.98 by 9.61 inches and a weight of 5.4 pounds in the RTX 5090 configuration, make it a triumph of engineering for those who want a powerful gaming rig that doesn't scream gamer. The signature green snake logo on the lid is the only visual flair, maintaining a professional and subtle look that makes it suitable for a boardroom as well as a gaming session. In stark contrast, the MSI Vector 16HX AI embraces a purely functional performance-first design. It is unapologetically a gaming laptop, constructed primarily from reinforced plastic with some metal elements. This choice of materials, while providing durability, lacks the premium feel and finish of the Razer Blade's aluminum chassis. The Vector's design is industrial and aggressive, with chunky visible vents and exposed copper heat pipes that reveal its focus on thermal management. Its sheer size and weight further underscore its purpose. At 5.9, 5 lbs, and up to 28.5 mm thick, it is significantly bulkier and heavier than the Blade 16. The design, with its aggressive lines, is a clear statement of its gaming identity. One notable aspect of its build is the sharp edges on the keyboard deck, which can be uncomfortable during extended use, a stark contrast to the smooth, refined lines of the Razer. While the Vector may not win any awards for elegance, its build quality is practical, and its accessible internals, which allow for straightforward upgrades, are a positive trade-off for its more rugged aesthetic. The difference in design philosophy extends to the port selection as well, though both laptops are well equipped. Razer manages to fit a respectable array of ports into its slim chassis. The left side of the Blade 16 features two USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, one USB 4 Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and the proprietary power connector. On the right, you'll find one USB-A, one USB-C, an HDMI 2.1 port, and a full-size SD card slot. While this selection is well-rounded, it notably omits an Ethernet port, a common trade-off for a thin and light design, which might be a drawback for competitive gamers who prefer a wired connection. However, the inclusion of cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensures top-tier wireless performance. The MSI Vector 16HX AI, thanks to its larger chassis, does not have to make the same compromises. It offers a comprehensive and wide array of ports that cater to a full range of user needs. It includes two USB-C ports, with DisplayPort and charging support, two USB-A ports, an HDMI 2.1, a 3.5mm combo jack, and most importantly for many gamers, a full-sized Ethernet RJ45 port. This more robust port selection gives the Vector 16HX a slight edge in pure connectivity, providing all the essentials for gamers and content creators alike without needing external adapters. The inclusion of an Ethernet port is a key differentiator that highlights the MSI's focus on a no-compromise desktop replacement experience. Neither laptop includes a Thunderbolt 4 port, but the Razer's USB 4 Type-C offers similar functionality, while the MSI's dual USB-C ports provide versatility. In essence, the Razer's port layout is a streamlined selection for a sleek device, while the MSI's is a complete, well-thought-out array for a stationary powerhouse. Both showcase distinct approaches to a gaming laptop's user experience, particularly in their displays, camera quality, inputs, and battery performance. The Blade 16 immediately stands out with its 16-inch QHD+ 2560 by 1600 OLED display, which operates at a silky smooth 240 Hz refresh rate. This panel is a visual feast, delivering perfect blacks and vibrant colors that make both gaming and creative work a joy. In terms of color accuracy, it is a top-tier display that rivals even professional-grade monitors, achieving full coverage of the sRGB, Adobe RGB, and DCI P3 color gamuts. However, this premium visual quality comes with a notable drawback: its glossy finish, which is highly reflective and can be a significant distraction in bright or even moderately lit environments, acting like a tinted mirror during darker scenes in games or movies. In contrast, the MSI Vector 16 HX AI features a 16-inch 2560 by 1600 IPS display, also with a 240 Hz refresh rate. While it offers excellent motion clarity and strong brightness levels suitable for gaming, it cannot match the deep, inky blacks and infinite contrast of the Razer's OLED panel. The Vector's display is a high-quality but more conventional choice for a gaming laptop, prioritizing function over the sheer visual spectacle of the Blade 16's screen. When it comes to the webcam and audio, both laptops provide a decent user experience but with subtle differences. The Razer Blade 16 is equipped with a 1080p webcam that offers sharp and detailed video, and it performs well in low-light conditions, making it a reliable tool for streaming or professional video calls. The added convenience and security of Windows Hello IR support for facial recognition further enhance its functionality. The Blade's audio is provided by upward-firing speakers that produce clear mids and highs with a respectable amount of bass, making them some of the better speakers in the gaming laptop category, particularly with the inclusion of Dolby Atmos support for spatial audio. The MSI Vector 16 HX AI also comes with a standard 1080p webcam that performs adequately for video calls, though it lacks the advanced features like Windows Hello IR found on the Razer. Its audio is serviceable, provided by dual speakers that tend to lean towards mids and highs, lacking the bass presence found in the Blade's setup. While they are functional for casual use, they do not offer the rich, immersive sound that Razer's speakers are capable of. The input experience, specifically the keyboard and touchpad, also highlights the differing design philosophies. The Razer Blade 16's keyboard features per-key RGB lighting and is solid in its construction. However, its key travel is shallow, and it lacks the satisfying tactile feedback of some of its competitors. The touchpad, conversely, is a highlight of the Blade 16. It is one of the largest and most responsive Windows touchpads on the market, with a smooth glass surface that draws direct comparison to the touchpads on Apple's MacBooks. Its gestures are fluid, and the satisfying clicks and overall responsiveness set a high benchmark for gaming laptops. The MSI Vector's keyboard offers good key travel, which is responsive for both typing and gaming. However, the keys are slightly mushy and lacking the crispness of the Razer's keyboard. The trackpad is large and smooth, but it is functional rather than exceptional, serving its purpose without setting any new standards. Finally, the battery life of both machines reflects their respective designs. The Razer Blade 16, despite its powerful components, performs admirably for its class, managing over 10 hours in video playback testing. While heavy gaming will drain the battery quickly, its impressive longevity for productivity and creative tasks makes it a surprisingly viable option for use away from a power outlet. The MSI Vector 16, with its focus on raw power and a high-wattage GPU, predictably struggles with battery endurance. With a 90-watt-hour battery, it manages only a meager 1.5 hours during heavy gaming and around 4 to 5 hours for light productivity. This makes the Vector 16 HX a laptop that is best used while plugged in, as its portability is limited by its power consumption. Both present two different philosophies on how to build a top-tier gaming and creative laptop. The Razer unit, with its svelte and premium aluminum chassis, houses the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 processor and a high-end NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU. Meanwhile, the MSI Vector, in a more traditional and robust plastic and metal build, is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 9 275HX and an RTX 5080 laptop GPU. These hardware choices lead to different strengths in terms of raw CPU power, graphical performance, and content creation capabilities. For processor-intensive tasks, the MSI Vector holds a noticeable advantage. Its Intel Core Ultra 9275HX is a 24-core, Arrow Lake-based CPU that delivers strong multi-core performance, often outpacing the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 in benchmarks like Cinebench and Geekbench. This raw CPU horsepower makes the MSI a formidable machine for heavy-duty workloads such as complex video rendering, 3D modeling, and other applications that can leverage a high core count. The Razer's AMD Ryzen chip, while a top-tier processor in its own right with advanced AI acceleration, doesn't quite match the sheer CPU throughput of its Intel rival in these specific raw CPU-heavy workloads. This difference is a direct result of their architectural design and power budgets, with the Intel chip being able to sustain higher power draws in the MSI's thicker chassis. When it comes to graphics and gaming, the comparison is more nuanced. The Razer Blade 16 is equipped with the fastest mobile GPU available, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. Despite being in a thin chassis that limits thermal headroom, this GPU still delivers class-leading frame rates, often outperforming last-gen RTX 4090 laptops. The MSI Vector, on the other hand, utilizes a full-fat 175-watt RTX 5080 GPU, a configuration that is pushed to its limits by the laptop's robust cooling system. This allows the MSI to sometimes rival or even beat the performance of certain RTX 5090 laptops, particularly those in more thermally constrained designs like the Razer Blade. For gamers, the difference in real-world performance between the two can be surprisingly close, as the MSI's ability to push the RTX 5080 to its full potential helps bridge the gap with the Razer's higher-tier GPU. Both laptops leverage NVIDIA's DLSS 4 and other AI-powered features to provide substantial performance boosts in demanding titles. The editing and creative power of these two laptops also reflect their respective hardware strengths. The Razer Blade 16 pairs its potent RTX 5090 with a stunning QHD+ OLED display, offering perfect blacks and vibrant colors that are ideal for color-critical work in Adobe Photoshop or Premiere Pro. The GPU's AI acceleration and high video RAM capacity are a boon for tasks like 8K video editing and intricate rendering jobs. The MSI Vector also serves as a strong workstation, with its Intel CPU and RTX 5080 providing a powerful combination for video and 3D rendering. While its IPS display is excellent for gaming with its high refresh rate and color coverage, it lacks the perfect contrast and color pop of the Razer's OLED panel, which some creators may find to be a notable difference for professional projects. The MSI's advantage in raw CPU performance for specific encoding tasks might give it an edge in pure rendering speed, while the Razer's top-end GPU and display make it a more well-rounded package for visual content creation. So here's the bottom line. The Razer Blade 16 2025 is the clear winner. It combines the RTX 5090's unmatched performance with a gorgeous OLED display, premium build, and surprisingly good battery life. The MSI Vector 16HX AI offers great value and raw power, but if you want the best gaming laptop of 2025, the Blade takes it.